Hey everyone, and welcome to the club, and welcome to this week's art tip. Today I'm going to be showing you an exercise that I use to help draw better freehand circles. Now I'm going to get started in the center of my page by drawing a small black dot. Now the objective of this exercise is to draw slightly larger circles as you work outwards, and you want to try to keep an even space gap all the way around on the tops, bottom, and the sides. Now the more you do this exercise, you're going to start to build those muscle memories to help you draw better circles in all your drawings. Now let's get started with the first ring. From that dot, I'm going to step up and just start from the top and then work my way around to the bottom and back to the top. I want to be aware of the space, the white space around the inside, making sure that's even all the way around. Now I'm going to move up even further, so going up. Now you want to pay attention to what's happening to your hand as you draw larger circles. So right now I'm just moving my fingers basically. As I get larger, my whole hand's going to start to move around. I want to sort of lock in that wrist. So let's step up even further, go out towards the side. Now right here, I'm going to swing my whole arm around, and as I get to the side, I'll move my hand back up and connect with the top. Now I'm going to go back out even further. So let's go up even further up here, go out to the side, down to the bottom. Now right here is where I sort of match this space with the top, making sure that it's almost even. And if I'm not, I just want to push it up even further, just to correct it. Go back to the top. Now let's go even further, a little bit higher. Going around to the side. Now I'm just bending my arm around. Again, trying to keep that space all the way around even as I get towards the top. Now let's draw one more larger ring. So we step up even further, start at the top, go out, towards the side, towards the bottom. And you can see that my whole arm is moving around, not just my wrist. And now connect to the top. So once I've completed one worksheet, I like to go back and just check the areas that I need to improve. So over here, I kind of came in a little bit too much. So I just want to watch my arm as I come over towards the right side, and especially at the top. So this connection point, I got a little bit of an overlap going on these three areas, but continue working on this exercise, and over time, I guarantee you'll be drawing better circles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.